Hi everyone, it is Amelia and I'm sitting here with Lai and Ramsey. We just got done for a walk. We are waiting for therapy to start and I'm getting ready to have my Shakeology and just wanted to share with you my experiences with Shakeology and anxiety. So I think that I've probably always had anxiety issues. But I was not formally diagnosed with anything until I was diagnosed with postpartum anxiety and depression after Zachary was born. And I was medicated for it. And then, of course, you start to feel better, and then you get lax with your meds. And I went off and on and off. And then, of course, I went off when I knew that I was pregnant with Brenna. And then upon her death, my OB actually recommended that I do not go on any anti-anxiety medication after her death, just to allow my body to naturally grieve and feel what it needed to grieve. So I stayed off, but then after Lila came, my doctor thought it was imperative that in order to deal with what needed to be dealt with her, I go on anti-anxiety medication. So we went on, and then, Lila just didn't get better, and things, were a slow improvement with her. And so my focus was on her and her medical bills, and again, it was something I would go on, or I would go off, or I'd go on and I'd go off. And I think probably during that time, my anxiety just definitely got worse because I wasn't helping myself. I wasn't eating well. I wasn't exercising. I wasn't doing anything good for my body. And then I became a Beachbody coach and started drinking my Shakeology full time. And I remember sitting at my table a couple weeks after I had started Shakeology, and I was telling a friend how I was not anxious about an upcoming major cranial surgery that Lila was having in a couple weeks. And I could hardly believe it, how calm I was and how great I felt. And this was just a few weeks into Shakeology, and so I decided to look into it because that was really the only thing I had changed. And sure enough, it shows that the ingredients in Shakeology can help. The antioxidants can help relieve stress. The B12 can help increase your mood. Just overall immunity can help with anxiety. So for me, that was, not that I needed an excuse to love Shakeology more, but that is one thing that justifies the price for me, that I am not putting in a pill for my body, that I'm actually putting something natural in to help me with the anxiety, the rapid heart, the nervous stomach all the time. And I loved how I felt and how in control I felt. It's worth its weight in gold. And I have to say that besides immunity, anti-anxiety is my number one reason why I continue to drink Shakeology. And now I'm in the process of trying to get my house packed up to clean and move and sell and all these wonderful things, but I'm having a lot of anxiety about it. Lila's starting kindergarten in the fall. I'm having anxiety. All these things are going to pile up when I have a little bit of anxiety that comes into my life. So Shakeology is what I'm doing every day, and I'm actually doing maybe a half a shake or a full shake twice a day in order to really help combat my anxiety. I didn't know if you are someone who suffers daily from anxiety or depression, and you think that there's something else out there more for you, something that you're worth more than a pill, and you want to explore some different options. I would love to share more my experiences with Shakeology and anxiety, and maybe how it can help you too. So I would love to talk. So hit me up, connect, chat, message, you get it. Have a great day.